Hello guys, welcome to the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Myself Utkarsh Kala, and today I will be your mentor in learning about the company Bossa Nova Robotics. They manufacture and inventory control robots for use in retail stores. With a multidisciplinary team of robotics, computer vision, artificial intelligence, and big data scientists, Bossa Nova has resolved the challenges to deploy fully autonomous robots in busy and crowded environments. Bossa Nova was founded in 2005 by the students attending Carnegie Mellon University, spinning out from their robotics institute. They began creating robotic toys such as robotic penguin and programmable gorilla, though they did not see much success on the market. In 2012, Bossa Nova unveiled a ballot named Moby, which featured a tablet screen on the top and was to act as a personal assistant. It began working with Walmart to build their retail robots in 2014, though they did not have a finished version of the product until 2017 when Walmart began testing them in 50 stores. Other smaller stores began to test out the product when Walmart rolled out an additional 300 robots in 2019. Martin Hitch serves this as the founder and the CEO. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.